the loops. What are the loops we have? Everything we will discuss now. Loops. So it is used to perform the operation. It is used to perform the operation again and again. Again and again until it satisfy the condition. Satisfy the condition. That's it, right? Until and unless condition satisfied, that many times it should be executed. That is nothing but a loops. Now, what are the loops we have? What are the loops we have? First one, for loop. For loop. Second one is nothing but a while loop. And third one is nothing but a do while loop. First one is a for loop, second one is a while loop, third one is a do while loop. Now, what is the differences? What do you mean by this for loop? What do you mean by this while loop? What do you mean to do while? Now, for loop, when we are executing, when we are using this for loop, if you know the number of iterations you want to do, at that time we need to use the for loop. If you know the number of iterations you want to do, at that time we need to use the for loop. So here I am writing ma, if you know the iterations, then we need to use the, if you know the iterations, if you know the iterations, then we need to use the for loop. Then we need to use the for loop, while loop. If we don't know the iterations, we don't know the iterations, then we need to use the while loop. Then we need to use the while loop. So here, second point in the for loop. What is that second point in the for loop means? Increment and decrement will be done with the loop only. Done with the loop only. Increment and decrement will done with the loop only. Now in this increment decrement, it should be inside the loop it will happen. With the loop, inside the loop, both are different ma. With the loop means when the loop is executing, at the time only it is executed. Inside the loop, when the condition satisfied, after completing the condition code, after that it should be incrementing, should be done. Is it clear? That is a while loop, do while. So do while means at least once the code will be execute. At least once code will be execute if the condition is false also. If the condition is false also, it will execute once more. If the condition is true means it will execute the n number of times. What is the condition we have? If the condition is false, at least once it should be executed. Is it clear ma? Now we will go to the syntax of the for loop. So syntax of the for loop. What is the syntax here? First I need to use the for keyword. First I need to use the for keyword. After that initialization I need to. After that initialization I need to do semicolon initialization semicolon. Next here I need to write the condition. Next here I need to write the condition. After that here I need to write the increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. After that I need to open the curly brackets. Inside that I need to write the code. This is nothing but a syntax of the for loop. This is nothing but a syntax of the for loop. Here initialization I need to do condition. After that increment and initialization, condition, increment, decrement we need to display. After that code, after that we will get the outputs. So what is the working flow of this? How it is working internally? So now we can see simply we can see it is looping itself. It again it is giving me the output. Simple it is, but how it is actually working in the background. So that one we will see. For that case, first I will write one simple example. Display the numbers from 1 to 5. Display the numbers from 1 to 5. It means print you can call ma. Print the numbers from 1 to 5. What you will do every time you will write console log 1, console log 2, console log 3, console log 4, console log 5 like that you will do. No, right? It is a hectic process. So what we will do? We know the condition. What is my last number? 5. So up to 5 I can do the iteration. So we know the conditions. At that time we are using the for loop only. How to write for off? What is the first I need to give? Initialization. Let I equals to 0. Let I equals to 0. After that, what I need to do? Condition I need to write. I less than or equals to 5. I less than or equals to 5. Colon. Next, what I need to do? Increment or decrement. Now, if I equals to 0 means I need to increment the value only, right? So I plus plus. I plus plus we need to write. After that, I plus plus. After that, what I need to do here? Inside that, I need to write the console log of I. Inside that, I need to write the console log of I. This is the code which I want now. This is the code which I want now. Now, simply how it is executing, ma? Installation, completion, output, increment or decrement. Okay, guys. Now here, what I will do here, I just creating the one tabular data. Why I'm creating this table means I want to track the looping statements. I want to track the looping statement. If one thing you can track, if for loop or while loop or do while loop, any looping you can track means all the loopings are working as the same only. All are working as the same only. What is the first one here means I need to give the value as a I. First, I need to give the I value. After that, I need to check the condition. What is the condition? I less than or equals to 5. This is the condition only. Yes or no? After that, here I need to display the output. After that, I need to use the increment slash decrement. Increment slash decrement. Now, this is nothing but a looping. The code is this one only, ma. The code is this one only. Now, how it is working? How it is working? What is the first I value, ma? 0 only, right? So it will write here as a 0 first. After that, what is the condition? I less than or equals to 5. 0 less than or equals to 5. True or false, right? True only, right? If the condition is true, then it will go inside that particular loop. Inside that, what I am writing, print the value only, right? Console log of I. What is the I value now? So it will print the value as a 0. It will print the value as a 0. Now after that, increment and decrement, right? Which one we are incrementing and incrementing? I value only. So simply 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Now what is the I value now here? 1. Sir, why 0 to 5 less than 5 it will be now? I want to print the values, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Console log statement I am using. So what is I value ma here? 1. Now here what is the condition? 1 less than or equals to 5. True or false? Is it true or false, Ray? True or false? So again it is a true. What output I will get now? 1 I will get. Now what is the value? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. What is I value now? 2 only, right? Now after that, 2 is less than or equals to 5. True or false? Condition is 2. What is the output I will get? 2. Next one, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Now 3. 3 less than or equals to 5. True or false? What is the output? 3. Next one, 3 plus 1 equals to 5. 4, sorry. 4, 4, 4 is less than or equals to 5. True or false? Next output is 4. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So 5, 5 less than or equals to 5. True or false, ma? True only, right? False, ah? Who said false, right? Output is the 5. So what is the output here? 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So here what I have value as a 6. 6 is less than or equals to 5. True or false? False. Here only it will get terminated. The loop will be stopped here only. Internally like this only it is working. Internally like this only it is working. Is it clear, ma? How we need to execute the looping means like this only we need to execute to understanding purpose, ma. Once your observation is completed, no need to write the tables for you. Because some places will get confused in which place what data I am getting. At that time, if you draw like this, you will get the crystal clear output what you are doing there. Is it clear, ma? All of you clear till now? Any doubt is there? Shall we execute this code now? How it is working? Okay. So where is your batch code? 2 p.m. batch. JavaScript. Yeah, guys. Now looping statement here. First, I need to use the for of I. Let I equals to 0, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. Now we can check here console log of I. Console log of I. Now if we can check here, so you can check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting the output. Still now clear, Ama? Everybody clear? Okay. Now, next time, what I want to check whether the given number is prime number or not. What is the logic? Yesterday opened the books, huh? No one, right? How many of you opened your books yesterday for looping statements? No one. Okay, tell me the logic, Ray. Prime number logic I want. I don't know any logics. I'm depending on you only completely. You need to tell me the logics. Ah, seriously, I don't know any logics, Ray. You need to tell. Simple, Sarah. Tell me that simple one. If I equals to I module 2 equals to, I am asking about the prime logic. If I module 2 equals to 0. Next, the number which is having the two factors. Okay. Okay. How to write the logic? Tell me first. How to write? How writing in the back end to same here also. There is no change. Tell me how you are writing in the back end. Number divided by 2 and take count equals to 0. Divided by 2. That is even or odd, right, Sanjay? Prime number logic re. 1 to n, and where we count how many times it is going to divide. Okay. తిప్పండి తిప్పండి పుస్తకాలు తిప్పండి. Okay. Okay. Offline people, any answers you have? Any answers you have? Noah. Okay. Re. So I will write one thing. Just tell me how to write that one. So I'm giving the let number equals to 5. I need to check whether the given number is 5 or not. How to check that one? What logic you are writing in the backend? 5 is divisible by half of the number. కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పు నాకు అర్థం కావట్లా. నాట్ ప్రైమ్. ఓకే. 1 కంటే ఎక్కువ వస్తే నాట్ ప్రైమా? ఆ! అప్పుడు ప్రైమ్ అంటే ఎంత రావాలి? ప్రైమ్ నంబర్ ఏంటి చెప్పు అసలు? వాట్ యు మీన్ ప్రైమ్ నంబర్ రే? వాట్ యు మీన్ బై ప్రైమ్ నంబర్? ఇట్ ఈస్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 1 అండ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. మరి 2 వస్తుంది కదా ఇక్కడ. 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ వస్తే నాట్ ఏ ప్రైమ్. 2 వస్తే ఆ లాజిక్ ఎలా రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు? టెల్ మీ ద కోడ్స్ రే. ఫర్ లూప్. వై అట్ వై వి ఆర్ యూజింగ్ హియర్ I ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. ఓకే. 2 2. ఓకే. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ ద యూజర్ passes 1, then okay, prime start with the 1 2 okay, user can pass 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, anything they can pass. So from 2 we will call it as a prime number if user is passing 1. What we need to do now? Okay, first we will check this one, then we will check that one. First we will check this one. Tell me what I need to write the condition here. For let I equals to 1 or 2. 2. Next. Okay. I less than or equals to 5. Next. 5 minus, and if I just I can remove this one, no need. Next. I plus plus. Okay. Next. Now if okay, count you want. Okay. Let count equals to 0. If 5 5 modulus I double equals to 0. ఇక్కడ ఎవరైతే మాట్లాడుతున్నారో బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోండి. ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్లు మాత్రం రావు కానీ మాట్లాడడానికి వచ్చేస్తాను నోర్లు. నెక్స్ట్ count plus plus. Next else. After that, how can I check it is a prime or not? After this, if 2 greater than or equals to 2. That one only I wrote na. Equals to 2 console log of prime. That's it. Else console log of not a prime. పక్కా? మరి మీరు చెప్పిందే కదా. Count equals to 0. If it is 0, then only we will get the output as a prime, or else it will not give you the prime only. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Now I have a question. If user passes the one, then one is a primer, not primer. What it was? It is not a prime also. It is not a prime number. Neither primer nor prime number. What is that? Natural number, huh? What is that one, Ray? It is a natural number. It doesn't, we will not call it as a non-prime number also. Prime number also, we will not call nothing. Just one is one only. If I will user pass the one, then what I need to do? Huh? Else condition. Where? Where I need to write the if condition another. I'm asking that. I understood if condition we need to write. Where we need to write the if condition? I'm asking that question. Think. Uh, if num greater than okay. Till how much? This much. Okay. Here else it is nor prime. That's it. It is not a prime number we can call normally. Till now clear? Huh? This much clear? If I want to make a series now, if I want to make a series. Yeah, guys, everything you are writing right only. In this, nothing is there. Some some meaningful sentence write if in else, sir. You want a meaning, huh? Leave a natural number is fine. Uh, tell me what I need to write here. It is nor prime nor composite. Then okay, clear. Now what I am getting? Prime number I am getting here. So here I am passing as a value as a 1. Now what I am getting? So if I am passing here as 16, prime or not prime? It is a not a prime number. Everything clear now? Now how to create a series of this? Now I have a values from 1 to 100. Inside that I want to print only the prime numbers. Only prime numbers I want to print from the in between the 1 to 100. What are the prime numbers we have? I want to print only those data. How can I do? Take two variables, start and end. Okay. Next. Huh. For int I equals to a. Uh, okay, guys. Now, simple. If I want to make a series, I need to use the nested for loop. I need to use the nested for loop. One loop will give you the value, which value you are passing here. Now I'm passing right number equals 60, number equals to number equals to 1. That one is a one variable. Outer for loop is indicates that one. Inner for loop is indicating this everything. Inner for loop is indicating entire thing this one. Now how to do that one we will check now. So in this, there is no modifications. Everything is a right only. What you did, everything is properly working. Just one more modification we can do. What is that one means? Now here I'm passing the directly value as a 2, right? If I am passing the 2 means again it will start iteration should be done. Here it will not iteration is there. There is no iterations. I don't want to enter in the for loop only. So what we will do directly in the outside only if condition is there, right? Then we can use the or operator equals to 2. Then we can directly write it is a prime number. There is a one more way to write the prime numbers. This way is also correct only. Here also there is no iteration only working. So if I will pass the 2 means greater than 2, it will go inside. It will check I equals to 2. I is less than or equals to, here I need to pass here as a number now. Okay. I equals to, it will check. I less than or equals to number. What is the number here if I pass? See here guys. First we will read this line. If number is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1 only. Kada. 2 is greater than 1. Then the condition is true only. If the condition is true means where I need to go? For loop. So in the for loop first what it will check? I value. What is I value here? 2. Initialize the I value 2. After that, what is I value here? 2 less than 2. Is it true a condition? No. Then it will enter inside the for loop. Huh? It will not enter inside the for loop only. So again it will enter for the if condition. If count equals to 0. Now count is incremented. Huh? No, right? 0 only it was. So at that time it is returning you a prime only. Else it is returning you a not a prime number. Is it clear all of you? If it is a 3 also is there. Value 3. Then what I will do, it will be making the one iteration for you. If you want to avoid that one means, so I told now first outside we need to write the one if condition. If inside if again we can go. Simply if inside if we can go again. Inside that if the value is equals to 2, 3, like that if we can write means it will directly write a prime number for you. Apart from that then it will be executing the for loops. First 5 numbers easily we can guess prima not prima. After that if we will start means it is also good for it. That is a one more way to write the prime numbers ma. It is also right only. Okay. There is also not a issue. Is it clear all of you? Just our aim should be when you are writing any logic our aim should be O of n. Time complexity we will call O of n. The code will be executed in the O of n format. That's it. It doesn't mean sir lines of code should be only 5 lines, 6 lines, not like that. If 10 lines of code is also there, it should be in the O of n enough. If one line of code, it should be greater than the O of n, not a usable, right? What you did, just you're reducing the code, but the time is taking the more than the O of n. But you're writing the 10 lines of code, but it is taking the less than the O of n. It is a good code only then. Is it clear, ma? Code complexity we will call it. Code redemption, what do we call that one, right? Code, not that one. Time complexity is reducing the time. Code, code optimization. Code optimization is nothing but nothing like a lines of code should be reduced. Ma. Time complexity also reducing is also known as a code optimization only. Is it clear, ma? Code redundancy. This is a one more word, code redundancy. Is it clear, ma? Now next one we are going to how to uh, create a series. How to create a series for you people. So we'll check that one. I will commenting this everything. So I'm writing here. What is the question? Display prime numbers from 1 to 100. It means 1 to 100 between how many prime numbers are there. I want to print all the prime numbers. How can I write now? First, I need to create a number only, right? So I will write the for I equals to 2. Directly I will start with the I only. There is not a issue because 1 we will not print only. It is not a prime only. So we will not give any data there. I want to print only prime numbers, ma. Only prime numbers. I don't want to print even or odd or nothing. Just only I want to print the prime numbers only. So I equals to 2. I less than or equals to 100. Up to 100 only I want, right? So 100 is my last number, comma I plus plus. Okay, inside that what I need to do now? Again I will write the one more for loop. Again I will write the one more for loop. For of j equals to 2. J equals to 2 colon j less than I. J less than I colon j plus plus. Now inside that what I need to write? If I mod j equals to 0, what I need to do? Count plus plus. Where I need to write the count now? Huh? After the first for loop only, right? After the first for loop, we need to write the let count equals to 0. Why we need to write here only? Why we are nodding outside? Yes. Whenever new number came, new iteration should be get. At that time, I want to start again with the 0 only. If I am writing in the outside, if the count value is incremented, again it will not go for the 0. Due to that reason, we need to write in the after the first loop only. Is it clear? Count plus plus. Now, after that here, if counts equals to 0, what I need to write here? Console log of the given number is prime. So what is that number I want to print here? I. Okay, ma? That's it done. Now the code is done. If you can check here, see here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. Is it clear, ma? Like this, if we want to display the prime numbers. Like this, we need to display the prime numbers. Next one. How to write the Fibonacci series now? What is the Fibonacci series first point? What is the Fibonacci series, Ray? Huh. Next number is okay. Next number is addition of the before two numbers. It means 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 3 8 8 plus 5 13 13 plus 8 21 21 plus 13 37 21 plus 13 31 plus 8 31 plus 39. Like that only, right? Now how to write that logic now? That's why yesterday I said see all the logics and come. Because everywhere logic is the same only, ma. Almost syntax is also same for the Java people. For Java people, syntax also same. Same to same only you will write there also. There is no change. Looping statements are like that only everywhere you can go. Why I'm taking that time in some people are there who are new for this looping statements. Due to that reason, I'm taking this much of time here. That's it. Fibonacci series if we will complete. Today looping statements only we will complete. Yeah, guys, how to write the Fibonacci series? Hmm. Okay. 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 Let's check. So first we need to initialize the two numbers as your requirement. Let number one equals to 0. Next Number 2 equals to 1. Next, what I need to do? Print those numbers. Console log of number 1, number 2. Done. Printing 0, 1 came. Next. Hmm? In for loop, okay. Okay, we'll take up to 10 only. Don't go for the more than 10, because if we go for the more than 10 means it is going for the largest numbers. So it might be issue for you. So for I equals to 1, okay. Hmm. I less than or equals to 10. I plus plus, okay. Ah, next. Next one. Let C equals to A plus B. Very good. Let num3 equals to num1 plus num2. Next. Huh? Num1. Num1 plus num2 ma. Incrementing num1 na. Num1 plus plus and num2. Ah, how it will work like that? Console log of C, print C. Ah. So here what I need to do? We are adding those two numbers and we need to print. If we are print like that means we will get our number. But what I need to do? I need to step into that side. So what I need to do? Num1 0 1 1. Num2 equals to num3. Yes or no? Num1 equals to num2. Clear until now? Yes or no? So here no need to write like this also. Directly we can write like this. Console log of num1. Now also we'll get the same to same only. We'll check. See. Oh, 0 1 1 we are not getting, right? 1 1 I want. 0 plus 1 1. Console log of number 3. Where I use number? 6. Where I use it only number? 0 1 1 2 2 4 4. Okay, we will keep like this only, this one. At the last, console log of num3. 0 1 2 4 3. It is squaring the values. No. Print C. After print C, A minus B. A equals to B. B equals to C. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 5. Done ma? Now is it working properly only? I just swap the values. This is nothing but a Fibonacci series ma. How it is working means, sorry, inside the loop. Okay, okay, okay. Fine, Ray. Anything it will work, ma. Guys, see here how it is working means. So first, what I am doing Fibonacci series, how it should be series will look means 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc. It will be continue like this. This one only we will call it as a Fibonacci series. Now, what is the logic for this? So, previous value should be last two numbers are there, right? We need to addition. The third number should be appear. Last two numbers should be addition. Last number will be appear. Now it means 0 plus 1, 1. Last two numbers, what are they? 1 plus 1, 2. Now last two numbers, 2 plus 1, 3. Last two numbers, 3 plus 2, 5. Last two numbers, 5 plus 3, 8. So like that, we need to add the last two numbers and we need to write the forward one. So for that case, first I need to initialize the at least two values, 0 and the 1. I am initializing that one. So directly I am printing those values. Directly I am printing those values here first. So after printing those values, what I am doing? I am creating the one more number because both I want to store and I need to store inside one variable, right? I want to make a addition last two numbers and I need to store inside the one more variable. So what is the last two numbers? Firstly 0 comma 1 only, right? So what is the value here? 0 plus 1 equals to 1. What is the number 3 value now? 1 only I have. So that one only I am printing here. So along with that, what I am doing, if I want to give the last two numbers, means I need to update the number 1 and the number 2 also. It means number 1, 0 value is completed. Again, I need to upgrade to the number 2 value. This number 2 value will be upgraded to the number 3 because last two numbers only we are seeing, right? So here what is happening? Number 1 will be going to 1 here. Now here also it is going for the 1 in the first iteration. Now coming to the second iteration, what I have? 1 plus 1. Here what I have, ma? In the second iteration, it is going for the, yeah, 1 only. Here it is nothing but a 2. Now here it is printing what value? First it will print the 1 only. Again it is printing the true. Now the third iteration, 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1, 3. Here what it is getting here? 2 here. Here what value I will get? 3. So what output I will get here? 3. Now what is the fourth iteration here? 3 plus 2. Now here what I will get here? 3. Here 5. What it will print here? 5. Like this we will get up to the 10 iterations. Like that we will get up to this. Usha, is it clear, ma? Is there any doubts in these iterations, ma? Okay. Now write the some sequences which you want to prepare for the interviews. One is a prime series, Fibonacci series, Armstrong number, lucky number, sad number, perfect number. Next one, Armstrong number. And next, one more number is there. That one recently they asked in the Namayatri question. Recently only they asked that question for all of them. Out of 6,000 people, same question that was for 6,000 people. That one. Okay, I will see, and tomorrow definitely I will update that question because two times Namayatri having the openings, both the times they having the same question. So might be chances if the third opening is there means might be chances third will also they will give the same to same question. Two times they release the openings for the Namayatri Bangalore. You know that Namayatri, right? Don't know, ah? So Namayatri is a one of the app ma Bangalore thing it was. It means Rapido how we have same to same. Here also less we are using the Namayatri. For Bangalore people it is a more they will use the Namayatri. So that is a one more openings previous not this time might be 2 months back. 2 months back openings they given for the software engineer before 2 months. It means 4 months back also they're giving the software engineer only. 2 months back also they're giving us software engineer only. In both of them common question is that series question only for both of them. How many times they are giving the opening? Two times. Same question they repeated. I forgot that question. Uh, Prime series, Fibonacci series, Armstrong number, lucky number, sad number, perfect number. One more thing. What one I have told? Huh? Just a second, Ray. Prime, lucky, sad, Armstrong. Those all are the. I am not asking about the series, Ray. Factorial is a series. I can agree. Star patterns, palindrome are not a series one. Lucky, sad, perfect number. Perfect number. Spy number is also there. Spy number, prime, lucky, sad, Armstrong, perfect number, spy number, factorial. Yeah, these all are the maximum series now. Because by using this thing only sorting techniques, everything should be repeated again, same to same. If you know the logics means everything you can write. Maximum series, these all are the important for us. That series only I'm not getting Renamayatri one. Which one it was? Question also interesting one, that one. So interested. Okay, tomorrow I will check and I will update that question because don't leave that question. Might be chances is there again in February, might be chances there openings are there for the Namayatri again. For the freshers only. This time maybe 25 people they will give. Last time they given for the 24 passed out students. 23, 24 they given. This time maybe 24, 25 might be chances are there they will give. On the February only they will give that. Package should be 6 to 8 LPA for fresher. Only they are hiring for the freshers only. 6 to 8 LPA is there. Chances are there. I will tell that question mandatorily. Just prepare that one, Ray. If I forgot also, tomorrow remember we once sir that series. Okay? Yeah. Openings. I asked about the HRs. Currently they are telling all the openings are closed, Ray. This is the time to upgrade your skills. Till January last week, there is no openings. Already decided that one. November first week too. Now winter holidays are there for that people who are hiring. Don't think, sir, India, we don't have winter holidays. No, because we are all of you doing the projects, right? UK, US, Europe, Germany projects we are doing, right? South Africa, those projects. There, if you want, they hire, they want, then only they will hire these companies. Now, what will happen there? Currently, when I ask to the HRs, they're telling, sir, currently we don't have any hirings due to the project is closing, deadlines all are there. Might be chances again from the January, the hiring will be started. So don't think like that. In between also might be chances are there they will hire. So keep applying with these things. Okay? Keep applying, ma. Day before only I speak with the HRs, with my friends. So they only telling like that for me. Yeah, guys, this is nothing but a series. Understand? Harshad number. What is this, Sanjay? Who is Harshad? Guys, update your profiles in the Work India, guys. Definitely you will get the calls from the Work India. Seriously, in Hyderabad location for the freshers, so many openings are there in the Work India. Try there. Definitely will get at least one opening is there. Work India. Complete your profiles and work India there. And one more point, daily, what you need to do, open your Naukri, update your resume. That's it. So daily, what we need to add, not like that. Remove the resume and add the same resume daily at the time of 8 to 10 in between time. Daily do that one. Definitely at least first 2 days you will not get any call. Pakka after 2 days you will get a call. Sir. Seriously, at least consultant also call you. If you get the consultant call also, give your resumes. If you get the consultant calls also, give your resumes. Because now so many companies are there who are hiring through the consultants now. Okay, see, two more they came. Automorphic number, update number. These two are the new one I am also hearing. AM Ray. Daily 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. between. Just update your Naukri. Okay. Try to build your LinkedIn properly, Ray. Seriously, LinkedIn is giving the impact now so much in your profiles now. Previously, nobody is asking your LinkedIn. Nowadays, directly what we will call in the Google forms which you are filling, right? They're only that asking about the LinkedIn's. Give your LinkedIn. Previously, it is optional one. Now it is mandatory one. LinkedIn URLs. So make sure that to LinkedIn optimization, if you want, means one extension is there, careerflow.ai. We have a AI tool, careerflow.ai. If you use that one, you can optimize your LinkedIn. Use properly that one. Easily you can get your score up to 90. I optimize through that one only. Now my LinkedIn score is 90 nearly. I use that extension only for that. And one more AI tool is there, Loop CV. Loop CV. What is this Loop CV will work now? Uh, you are getting some requirements are there, right? You are uploading your resume. It will match and it will tell how much you are suitable for that requirement. 50%, 80%, 0%, 100%, like that. So at least there we need to run up. It is a premium version, ma. One loop we can run freely. It means it will update every day how many openings are there. Luckily, if you're gonna apply means if you get the chances also from there also. And monster.com for job finding purposes all monster.com. Underrated this one. No one are using this one. Monster, Flex Jobs, Remote.ok, 100 Jobs. These all are the job platforms where you can search for that. In LinkedIn also, just search for the past 24 hours. Sir, work from home opportunities, huh? Yes, take any work, do it at home is work from home. Work from home is remote.ok you can search. Remote.ok. Guys, do you have profiles of Intershala? Everybody have a open. Open your accounts in the intershala.com. There you will get the internships. Easily you can get refer you people. Seriously, I'm telling. For 24, 25 people, lots of internship opportunities are there. Paid internship there too. Not a non-paid also. Paid internship is there. Intenshala. And create your accounts in Superset also. Superset. Because these are the places where recruiters can see your profiles properly can. Internship is one of the best platform to get the internships, everything. Easily you can get in that because 24 lots of is there. Is it clear, guys? These all are the tools regularly we will follow because at the time I use those things only to get the job for me. I am telling just basic versions. I used more. Seriously, I use nearly 15 to 20 website to search only. Now, if I want to search means I will use the chat GPT, Perplexity AI. Those things I will use now. Directly. Prompting, I know that how to do the prompt for that. So I'm giving the prompting. It will only returning me all the datas for us. It will only returning me all the datas. Seriously. I will show you that one. Just a second, guys. I will show you if I will write the prompt means how it will give the data. Show you how it is give you the output. See. The data which is generated by ChatGPT, including all the links, experience levels, fill timer, remote, fresher. If you have a contact, HR mails are there, right? That one also everything is done by the ChatGPT only. This thing. So try to utilize the AI tools also. Prompting, especially is the play with the prompt only. You need to understand how to give the prompt. Including I didn't copy the text also, right to Excel. It will only creating with Excel files and giving. That's it. Is it clear, ma? Try that. These all are the remote only. See here. Remote work from home. All are the remote jobs only. So try to utilize these things also, ma. Yeah, tell me, Ray. Share in what doubt, Ray? I don't know, Ratish, that one. You can ask to the admins. I got an offer in Cognizant last year, but I could not join it due to the health issue. No, I ordered to get into the due to the health issue. Now, in order to get into that, I have to start from scratch. Yes, you need to scratch from the scratch only. You need to start again because you rejected that offer, na? How they will give again? Cooling period also there for that company, my guess. 6 months. Okay, we will go to our subject, Ray. Which definition, Ray? Okay, guys, we back to our subject. So those are the for loop. Those all are the series we need to understand those things. For loop. Where is the while loop gone? Screen zoom out. Okay, you guys will note it down. What is there in the note tray? Guys, what are the series I told now? Try to do that in for loop also, while loop also. Both the conditions, ma. Both the conditions, if you can do means, so you can easily write the any logics. Requirement is there means you can write the any other logics also. Same to same only is there. So after this one, after this, I will start a while loop. Today we will complete the loops, ma. Not completely, it might be partially we will complete that one. Tomorrow continue and the break statements are there. We need to understand those things. Then loopings are completed. Then I will start the functions. One more point, guys. Tomorrow and day after, you don't have any class. The class will be resumed from the Monday again. Okay? Have fun. No need to come. Had lunch. Peacefully sleep. Okay? I am not taking the class. I am not available on these 2 days. I have my works. I'm on the leave. Yeah, tomorrow and day after. Monday onwards, again the class will be same timing, same to same trainer. Okay. No new trainer. Array tomorrow and day after means Friday and Saturday only, Ray. Yeah. Functions concept is the most important concept in the entire JavaScript. Functions, arrays, object. These three concepts. Why? Because function concept, everything is in the React. How to write the function, what type of function we are writing there, what are the ES6 features also there in the function. Some ES6 functions are there. Those things also we will discuss. So everything we will discuss there. So don't leave on that what we call. Don't take leave on the Monday. Okay. If I will complete the looping statements, definitely I will start the functions that day only. Okay. 10 types of functions are there. From Monday onwards, don't take leave. Avoid the leaves until JavaScript will be completed for you people. Because so many things are we need to discuss in that. Till now, we are using the slowly we are moving. From that day, everything is a new concept only. Seriously, I'm telling every day is a new concept only. Functions, 10 types of functions. There is in that backend, there is no that many functions are there. Next one, array methods. Array methods only literally we are going to discuss about the 19 to 20 methods. 19 to 20 array methods only we are discussing. In that advanced looping methods is also there, which we are using in the JavaScript. String methods, nearly 15 to 16 methods are there. Object methods, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 28 methods in the object we have. So we take serious on from that Monday classes. Functions when started, take serious into the JavaScript. Okay. In the project also we are going, we will use everything. Function we will use, array we will use, object we will use. Okay, na? Without all three, we can't create a project only. So make sure that clear these concepts in your minds. Is it till now how you are taking? Fine. Because second time revision, most of the people here, 99% second time only. Few people are having the first time. If you have any doubt means you can ask again. Again, I will teach these concepts again for you people. If you no doubt means you can leave. Because in further cases, we will never use the for loop only. Once you know the advanced looping statements, you will never use the for loop, while loop, do while loop, never. Seriously, I'm telling. In JavaScript, just you need to understand how it is working. For that working only, we are learning the for loop here. Because same to same working is done in the advanced loops. There we will not discuss any working of that, how it is backend is working. Now we draw the one table, everything I displayed, right? When we are going for the advanced loop, same to same working is there, but slight changes are there. That slight changes only we will discuss there. This entire background work we will not discuss it. Due to that reason, here only I discuss that one. It is same for the for loop also. It is same for the while loop also. It is same for the do while loop also. While and do while, one slight change is there. That one we will discuss on the Monday. What is the slight change? How it is working? Is it clear, guys? All of you? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Is there any doubt in the today's session? No means tata. Bye bye. We will meet in the Monday session. Happy long weekend, guys.